Speed limits have been slashed in parts of Hindley Street and Victoria Square amid safety concerns over new road surfaces. Pavers installed during multi-million-dollar redevelopments becoming dangerously slippery when it rains, prompting concerns ratepayers will foot the bill to fix the problem.
Peak hour in the west end of Hindley Street this morning and traffic is brought to a crawl as motorists are reduced to just 10 kilometres an hour.
Be faster on a bike. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Too slow. A lot of the cars stall at 10.
The low speed limit coming after the newly laid stone pavers, part of a $4 million revamp, were found to be too slippery in the wet.
I would have thought the engineers would have discussed that earlier.
Similar pavers and a similar problem in the heart of Victoria Square.
We've had the square tested and we're going through the process of analysing those results to make sure that it's safe for users.
New speed signs erected there overnight, limiting drivers to 25 kilometres in wet weather instead of the usual 50.
We've had no evidence or reports that anything's happened in Vic Square to date. It's purely a precautionary measure while we go through the process of testing the results.
The problems with both roadways prompting concerns ratepayers will foot the bill not only for the projects but also the fixes.
It's a lot of money for them not to have worked it out in the start and to trial them somewhere.
They have to rectify it, which is a total waste of money.
Well, I reckon they should dig them up and start again and get the next job for nothing.
I think this is just one small issue that needs to be worked through and resolved, and I have no doubt that the experts will resolve the issue shortly.
And Samantha Vardas joins us live now from one of the trouble spots in Victoria Square. Sam, how far off is a permanent solution?
Well, Brenton, at this stage it's unclear how long speed restrictions in Hindley Street and here at Victoria Square will remain in place. Now, Adelaide City Council says it's currently working to resolve the slippery problem at both locations, but it's too early to tell if the pavers can be fixed or they'll need to be ripped up and replaced altogether. Brenton?
Yeah, big job indeed. Thank you, Sam.